Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will try to learn about impact of climate change on India. Let's start with impact on the natural environment. Temperatures in India have risen by 0.7 degrees Celsius between 1901 and 2018, thereby changing the climate of India. A 2018 study projects droughts to increase in northern and northwestern India in the near future. Severe landslides and floods are projected to become increasingly common in such states as Assam. In May 2022, severe heat waves recorded in India and Pakistan where temperatures reached 51 degrees Celsius. Now let's see the impact on sea level. Sea level rise. Meghalaya and other northeastern states are concerned that rising sea levels will submerge much of the Bangladesh and span of refugee crisis. Its severe climate changes occur. Bangladesh and parts of India that border it may lose vast tracts of coastal lands. Thousands of people have been displaced by ongoing sea level rises that have submerged low-lying islands in Sundarbans such as Lohachara, Suparibhanga and Bedford have been completely submerged, and Ghoramara has shrunk to fourth of its original size. Other islands like Kabasagodi are also disappearing. Water resources. Temperature rise on the Tibetan plateau are causing Himalayan glaciers to retreat, threatening the flow rate of the Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna and other major rivers. A 2007 Worldwide Fund for Nature report states that the Indus River may run dry for that reason. In the last 50 years, 509 small glaciers have disappeared in the third pole systems. Ecological disasters such as 1998 coral bleaching event that killed off more than 70% of corals in the reef ecosystem of Lakshadweep and Andaman and was brought on by elevated ocean temperatures tied to global warming and projected to become increasingly common. By 2070, 50% of India's mangroves will shift or vanish due to climate change. Impact of climate change on people. Economic impact. A report by the London-based global think tank Overseas Development Institute found that India may lose anywhere around 3 to 10% of its GDP annually by 2100, and its poverty rate may rise 3.5% in 2040 due to climate change. Reduced crop yields. NICRA, National Innovations in Climate Resilient Agriculture study indicate that rainfall rise yields in India are expected to experience a marginal reduction of less than 2.5% in the year 2050 and 2080. On the other hand, irrigated rice yields are projected to decline by 7% in 2050 and 10% in 2080. Scenarios. It further projects wheat and maize yields may also decrease. Health impacts. climate change and health impacts. Heat waves. Heat waves frequently are increasing because of climate change. In 2019, the temperature reached 50.6 degrees Celsius. 36 people were killed. The heat waves affect central and northwestern India the most. The eastern coast and Telangana also have been affected. Migration. Around 7 million people are projected to be displaced due to, among other factors, submersion of parts of Mumbai and Chennai if global temperatures were to rise by 2 degrees Celsius. That's it in today's video. Thank you so much for watching.